Next, we will learn Advanced Filter. This filters your Excel data if you only want to display records that meet criteria from the linked table. Now above the original table, we have another table with country and quartered column. It will be used to filter the original table. Now in the Data tab, under Sort and Filter group, select the Advanced option. The list range is the original table range, which will be automatically selected. The criteria range is the new table. Select it by dragging your left mouse pointer from A1 till D2 and press OK. Now this is the filtered data. If the criteria is changed, the criteria range will also change. This is the filtered data.